Hi, this is Leslie.
And Lexi.
And we're introducing today a new member of Light Elegance family. You may know this one, but we are now having the imix available.
Yes, we're shaking things up this November.
Shaking up is very good. We're excited. Like I said, you guys probably know about this. It's been out there, but we have brought it on just in case you don't have it, because with the P+, any polish in a bottle, it really helps get that pigment moved around so that every time you brush it on, you're getting nice, good, even strokes with lots of that pigment.
Yes.
This stuff is full of pigment. P+ has so much, so we want to make sure it's really mixed well.
Yes, and anything in a bottle. If you have lacquer, if you have P+, this is great. We think that the marriage between the two is perfect. And also another thing about this is the wear and tear on your wrist and your arm. When you're trying to mix that, new. This solves that problem. You put the cute little bottle on there, you press the button, and it mixes it for you.
Just make sure the client picks out their color before your service, and then while you're doing the service, put this on. It's all mixed and ready to go. It makes your life easier and it makes you look good, and P+ will love you for it.
It will. So contact us and get it now, and we are super excited about the awesome imix.
We are. Get your imix today.
Bye.
Bye.